Okay, so for layer option, simply have to click on Windows and you can see a layer option, which shortcut key is F7. That can also be used for layer panel. You have to click on this. Once you will click, you can see the here layers. So currently you can see here it is only one layer and all the objects, text, headings, each and everything in this document is available on this one layer. Okay, so from layer panel we can simply hide from here our all the text or object is available on that particular layer. We can simply hide it, as well as we can simply lock it so that it will work on another layer, so there are not to become any type of effect on your locked layer. Okay, apart from this, you can simply select the object available on that layer from here. Simply have to click on this. Once you will click, you can see here that particular object has been selected. Okay, so for creating new layer, simply you can click here. Once you will click, you can see here new layer has been created. Okay, so similarly you can create multiple layer and keep different type of object on that particular layer and you can manage. Okay, so for instance on layer 2, simply I keep one rectangle. Okay, this rectangle, so currently you can see here it is coming on red layer. Okay, because here you can see red color is applied. So we can also simply identify the layer based on color of our layer. Okay, next we have layer 3. Okay, so layer 3, for instance I just created a circle on layer 3. Okay, so you can see here green color is applied. Similarly you can also give any specific color that you want. So for changing color, simply you have to click on this menu button and you can click on layer option. Okay, once you click here, you can give the layer name. For instance, so circle, to simply we can rename it with circle, and you can also change the color, so something like this. And you can also do lock layer, print layers, separate text wrap. So these all options we have available. If you require, you can also check it. Okay, so for instance if I will lock it and start working on other layers, so it's they are not to become any type of effect on this particular layer. Okay, so we can easily manage and efficiently work on separate layer. Okay, if you want to delete any layer, simply have to select that particular layer and you can delete from here, something like this. Okay, so this is something you can use layer. For instance, I want to keep specific backgrounds for different type of pages, so that we can create separate layer and organize it based on our requirements. So let's see how we can do. As you can see now, currently it's coming above our contents, so you can simply organize it based on your requirements. So just keep it at the end. Busy2, I have just keep this background, and busy1 you can also use different type of background. Now currently you can see how just I place background behind our text, and you can simply keep it logged and work on your pages. This is something you can simply use layer for specified different type of content in a single document. So hope you got understand how to use layer in Adobe InDesign. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.